Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is the Cold Brew Chic wig by BelleTress in the color Honey with Chai Latte. I love this color. It is a really beautiful rooted blonde that has all of these lovely sort of platinum and, you know, golden brown and warm sort of caramel tones in it. It's just very pretty. It has a little bit of gold in there, and it's all blended together, but lots of light blonde. So it's just a very gorgeous, nuanced blend. And then you've got this lovely medium brown root. This is a really cute wig. It is a heat-friendly synthetic, so bear that in mind, but this one is really darling. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around so you can see what this one looks like on all sides. This one does have a lace front. I'll zoom in on that for you. So you can see you've got tiny little knots there. We like that. And this does have a monofilament top. So that's also a very nice touch. You can see that color really well here. Very, very pretty blonde. Alright, well I'm going to go ahead and take this one off now so I can show you what the cap looks like. FYI, this feels a little snug on me, but it's still not painful or anything like that, and it still looks really cute on. This one, and I have a big head, just in case you haven't seen any of my videos before, I wanted to preface that by saying, yeah, I have a 23.5-inch cap circumference, so if it fits me tight, that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to fit you tight. So Cold Brew Chic has a lace front and a monofilament top, both of which are hand tied. Note the seam, that's pretty standard in this kind of cap construction regardless of the brand. We have open wefts on the sides, and in the back we have an extended felt nape. Even though there's no Velcro, it's adjustable a bit like a bra strap. In the back we have fuzzy felt here on the ear tabs as well. There's no permatease in this wig. Has a beautiful feel to the fibers, it moves well, is not even remotely shiny. I'm going to go ahead and put this one back on for you. Let's talk some specs. The bang on Cold Brew Chic is 5.5 inches. The sides are heavily layered. So, you know, it says 11, but take that with a grain of salt. The nape is 5.25, and the overall length is anywhere from 5.5 here in the front to 12.5 from the top down. So yeah, this one is super duper cute. I really like it. This has been the Cold Brew Chic wig by BelleTress in the really gorgeous color Honey with Chai Latte. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Hopefully you dig what I do here with my wig reviews. If so, please be sure to check out my web store. It's just www.cysterwigs.com, otherwise known as CysterWigs. And until next time, I hope you have a great night. Bye-bye.